Welcome to this session of OWS Video FAQs. Today we will be discussing how to control PTZ cameras when using Command Station. We are the cloud video platform, so let's get started. Let's review the objectives for today's overview. First, we will provide a live demonstration of using PTZ cameras during live view. Next, we will provide a live demonstration of the two methods you can use to utilize PTZ control. Let's jump into Command Station and show how to utilize PTZ cameras. After signing into Command Station, go ahead and locate a camera that is PTZ and then drop it into the live viewing grid. All right, we're going to use a single grid so we have a nice big shot to work with today. So a couple things to talk about is, number one, your digital zooming with the wheel on your mouse works like any other camera, and once you've done some zooming you can pan around, etc. So that's similar functionality that you would get on any camera. But this is a PTZ camera. So there are two ways to manipulate the PTZ cameras. Number one is up here in the upper right, if you select PTZ, all right, you'll now see I get a circle here on the frame. So what that's going to allow me to do is to simply move the camera just by using my mouse. All right, and I can still digitally zoom and digitally zoom back, etc. Okay, and then I can move things back around and I can move things back down. So that's a very nice, simple PTZ control. All right, that's one way that you can manipulate your PTZ cameras. The second way is over here on the left in the menus is to actually select PTZ control from here. So I'm going to turn off here and I'm going to come down here and select here. All right, so now what I get is more of a traditional joystick, virtual joystick type application. So if I want to pan to the right, I can simply go ahead and pan to the right. If I want to go up and to the right, I can do that as well. Up and to the left, we can bring that around as well and just keep bringing our view over. Okay, so it's very simple to do this. All right, and then we can set back down, and again, from anywhere in here we can also do our digital zoom, so very straightforward there as well. You can also use the PTZ zooming on the camera, okay, and bring that back, and that's very strong. One of the other great features that's very convenient is the ability to use presets. So for example, our main image, the shot that we like to have, we can set under preset 1. I've already done that, and if I tell it to move to it, then it's going to snap right to there. Okay. Now, it also gives me ability if I want to go out and I want to move around and maybe make a different view. Okay, maybe I'm more interested in what's going on over this way. Then I can simply go in and then say, hey, this is going to be preset 2, and go ahead and set that. All right. Now I can go back and select 2 and say move, or as before, I can go back to base and say 1 and then move, and that'll bring us back to our standard shot. So that's a very, very powerful way to lay in a bunch of pre-configured, hey, go here, look here, come back here, and then set your home up as well. So very straightforward there. So those are the two methods by which you can access and then manipulate your PTZ cameras. Very strong feature there as well. And of course, when you're done over here on the left, you can just go back to your recorders list and go from there. Okay, so again, you can enable PTZ controls here, which give you very simple ones, or you can go down here to PTZ control and have the virtual joystick be able to set your presets, etc. So very straightforward, and that's basically a quick tutorial on how to use PTZ controls within Command Station. This concludes this video FAQ. Thank you for attending. If you have any questions, please visit OpenEye.net or email training@OpenEye.net. Join us again for more interesting videos from OpenEye, the cloud video platform.